Okay, so we're nearly hitting 400. I think I'm okay with that temperature. My pizza's ready anyway, and I've just put olive oil in it, so I don't think I've got a choice. I think I've just got to get this in. Otherwise, it's going to stick to my peel. I think it's pretty hot in there. It'll do. Oh, actually, do I need to turn it down a bit? I'm just gonna, because I'm a newbie. Right, so let's get this in. That came off nicely. Okay. I'm gonna stay well back because my phone will melt. Bit more on. Bend there. Give that piece a try. Very tasty. Classic Margherita pizza. Well, my attempt at a classic Margherita pizza. No rim burn.
I'm happy with that. Try to use a lot less flour than I normally do as well, so hopefully that's stopped that problem. So yeah, tasty margherita with garlic infused olive oil on top. Very nice, very tasty, lovely crust. Happy with that crust.
I'm going to do a quick Q&A after most of my videos now from the comments that you put through. So Len Comser said, Ellie, when your confidence level is high enough, how about a fully live cook? Okay, well, I'm not anywhere near confident enough to do a fully live cook. Nothing seems to go completely right. But I think that the cooks that I do, even though they're not live, most of them are real time. So thank you, Len, for your confidence in me. From Agent Almost. Please be careful using the Ooni ovens on a plastic table. They could melt it. At least put a sheet of plywood down in between just in case. Totally agree. I do tend to use a camping table. They have sort of melted a bit in places or warped. Yeah, I bought a massive plastic table recently, the big white one. The legs of the Gosney are so high up. I'm gonna continue using my plastic table at my own risk. Also, I've just done a video with the Gosney wood. My dough wasn't great, but the actual wood part was very easy to use, so I'll put that video up coming soon. But I really enjoyed using the wood with it. And final question, Brian Taylor says, I'm looking forward to hearing your thoughts on the Adore. It's been on my shortlist for a while. I can't wait to use the Adore. I'm just getting it ready. I've queued it. I've had to change the gas regulator on it. Hope to get a video up using the Adore next week, but I haven't cooked on it yet, so I'm just getting everything ready with it. So yeah, I can't wait to show you how that cooks. Hope you enjoyed those Q&As. Let me know if you did. I'd like to do them quite a lot because I think if there's any pressing questions you'd like me to answer, then I'll pop them up. Also, I'll be doing a big Q&A every 4 weeks. Like I said, my channel update video, but I'll do like a face-to-face Q&A like this, with comments on maybe more detailed on the reviews of the ovens and things like that. Because by then I will have used the Adore a number of times, quite a few times, and also the wood burner on the Rockbox. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.